don't make much sense. There ought to be law against anyone who takes offense at a day in your celebration. Cause we all know in our minds that there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you. And I'm sure you would agree, what could fit more perfectly than to have a world party on the day you came to be. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I just never understood how a man who died for good could not have a David Wood. He said, aside for his recognition, because it should never be just because some cannot see the dream as clear as he, that they should make it become an illusion. And we all know everything that each different time will bring, or in peace our heart will sing. Thanks to Martin Luther King. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Why has there never been a holiday? Yeah. Where peace is celebrated all throughout the world. Time is overdue for people like me and you who know the way true is love and unity to all of God's children. Should be a crazy, and the whole day should be spent in full remembrance of those who lived and died for the oneness of all people. So let us all begin. We know that love can win. Let out your holy hand. Say it loud as you can. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will, because our hearts tell us so.
Robert Nesta Marley, me say happy anniversary. Rastaman vibration, high like a lion in Zion. We're all out. Everybody loves Bob Marley everywhere 1995 he would have been 50. Spread reggae music internationally, over many ocean and across many seas. Traveling round the world, one thing that I see, everybody know about Bob Marley. And if them ever find some men on the moon, I'm sure they will know some Bob Marley tune. We ball out, everybody loves Bob Marley. Everywhere I go, it's the same old story. People love all nations, they love the Rasta man.
Live my life in the clouds, try to deal with city crowds. Work all day, go out night, next international flight. All the cities look all the same, electric picture in a frame. Disco cocktails in hotels, room service ringing my bells. Living in the underground, I'm dancing, posing all around. I feel something I wanna be, lesson one, look at me. All the cities look all the same, electric picture in a frame. Disco cocktails in hotels, room service ringing my bells. I said,
Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power. Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power. Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power. Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power.
I said,
Happy hour.
I said,
Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power. Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power. Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power. Happy hour, sun shower, 808s, gives you power.
live my life, it's in the clouds. Try to deal with city crowds. Work all day, go out night, next international flight. All the cities look all the same, electric picture in a frame. Disco cocktails in hotels, room service ringing my bells. Living in the underground, I'm buzzing all around. I feel something I wanna be, lesson one, look at me. Cities look all the same, electric picture in a frame. Disco cocktails in hotels, room service ringing my bells.
wishing you a happy birthday. Look how beautiful you are. See you shining like a star. See you dancing in the colors. Let me lead you to the floor. I will take you anywhere. Make a wish, I'll take you there. See you dancing in the light. Let's make this a perfect night. Singing happy birthday. Everybody's jumping up and down. Oh yeah, don't forget that this is your night. Your name is written in my lights. Oh yeah, I will take you anywhere. Make a wish, I'll take you there. See you dancing in the light. Let's make this a perfect night. Oh, oh, oh.
glory, no happy ending.
Wake up in the morning, stumble on my life. Can't get no love without sacrifice. If anything should happen, I guess I wish you well. A little bit of heaven, but a little bit of hell. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. No hope of love or glory, happy endings gone forevermore. I feel as if I'm where you stand, and I'm where you stand every day.
This is the way you left me. I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. And live the rest of our life, but not together.
2 o'clock in the morning, something's on my mind. Can't get no rest, keep walking